Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download the ChatGPT app on your MacBook. This gives you quick access to ChatGPT directly from your desktop. So first, open any browser on your MacBook. I'll be using Safari, but any browser works. Now search for ChatGPT Mac Download and open the official ChatGPT download page. Click Download for macOS. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Just a reminder that the ChatGPT Mac app requires macOS 14 and an Apple Silicon Mac like M1 or newer. Now, once the download finishes, double-click the ChatGPT installer. Now, drag the ChatGPT app into your Applications folder. Go to Finder, then Applications, and open the ChatGPT app. Your Mac may ask if you want to open the app. Click on Open. Now, sign in with your ChatGPT account. Once logged in, you can start using ChatGPT directly from your MacBook. You can quickly open ChatGPT anytime using the Option and Space keyboard shortcut on your MacBook. And lastly, don't forget to move your ChatGPT installer to trash because you won't be needing it anymore. And that's how to download the ChatGPT app on your MacBook. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.